So we just had the CPI number released. I told you leading into the number, we were setting up a really bearish pattern here on the daily and on the monthly. We had 5 consecutive days up off the lows. We hit that low on the September contract of that 38.83. I said we're going to get that big rally here, and we got it. The market hit my first target, 41.30 to 41.60. That went above it a little bit by about 7 or 8 points on the S&P. The number came out, and bam, we got caboose. NASDAQ futures, S&P futures dropped 110 off the high, and we're going right back down. Anybody who doesn't think we're in a bear market is on the planet Pluto, right? This is what we do here each and every day. At 9:45, we're going to get sell reversals here on all 15-minute time frames on the 4 big ETFs. Gold got caboosed, 30-year bonds got caboosed here, and now we're going to look for some type of balances for short strategies during the day. Come join my live channel each and every day. Look, I'm going on my 40th year. I speak to everybody around the world. I love helping people change their lives. I want people to learn from me, be consistent, wait for the right strategies, and trade them, right? And then every single day, singles and doubles, and that is the way we beat them, right?